This is a brand new 2012 Nissan Titan. It has a 5.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the appearance package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and much more. The following features are also included: steering wheel mounted controls, a rear window defroster, keyless entry, a chrome grille, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, a full-size spare tire, an anti-lock braking system, a sliding rear window, and cruise control. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Trophy Nissan is located at 5031 North Galloway Avenue in Mesquite. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.